Ever pondered how a region's quest for autonomy could lead to a devastating civil war impacting millions of lives? Today we delve into the historical archives of one such conflict, the Biafran War. The Nigerian Civil War was a 3-year conflict from 1967 to 1970. It began when the southeastern region of Nigeria declared independence as the Republic of Biafra. This secession was rooted in economic, ethnic and political tensions which have been simmering since Nigeria's independence from Britain in 1960. In the early 60s, Nigeria was a country divided along ethnic lines, with the Hausa Fulani in the north, the Yoruba in the west, and the Igbo in the east. The discovery of oil in the eastern region further fueled these tensions. The eastern region, home to the Igbo people, felt marginalized and exploited, leading to their call for secession. However, the Nigerian government, unwilling to lose its oil-rich region, declared war on Biafra on July 6, 1967. This marked the beginning of a bitter conflict that would last for a little over 2.5 years. The war was characterized by the Nigerian government's blockade of Biafra, leading to widespread famine. This blockade was so effective that it is estimated that up to 2 million Biafran civilians died of starvation. This has been widely regarded as a war crime and a stark example of how civilian populations can be used as pawns in conflicts. Internationally, the Biafran War drew a mixed response. While some countries recognized Biafra's independence, others backed Nigeria. Notably, Britain and the Soviet Union supported Nigeria, while France and a few African countries supported Biafra. The war ended on January 15, 1970, when Biafran leader General Ojukwu fled the country and his deputy Philip Effiong surrendered to Nigeria. The end of the war did not see the end of the issues that caused it, and the region still grapples with these challenges today. So, what can we learn from the Biafran War? Firstly, the war highlights the dangers of ethnic and regional divisions. The tensions between Nigeria's ethnic groups were a significant driving force behind the conflict. Secondly, the war underscores the importance of equitable resource distribution. The discovery of oil in the eastern region exacerbated existing tensions and played a significant role in Biafra's decision to secede. Thirdly, the war serves as a reminder of the catastrophic impact of conflicts on civilian populations. The use of starvation as a weapon of war resulted in the deaths of millions of innocent people. Lastly, the war illustrates the complex role that international actors can play in conflicts. The support of different countries for either side prolonged the war and contributed to its devastating impact. In conclusion, the Biafran War is a significant chapter in Nigeria's history that offers valuable lessons on the dangers of regional and ethnic divisions, the importance of fair resource distribution, the devastating impact of war on civilians, and the intricate role of international actors in conflicts. These lessons remain relevant today, not just for Nigeria, but for the world at large. Scene script voiceover, the Biafran War was not just a civil war, but also a series of top war and civil invasions. From the onset, both sides engaged in a brutal and high-stakes game of territorial control. Major battles and invasions shaped the course of the war, with each side using different strategies to gain the upper hand. The Nigerian army, with the support of the British government, launched Operation Tiger Claw, a major invasion into Biafra. This operation aimed to reclaim the oil-rich region of the Niger Delta. On the other hand, the Biafran forces, under the leadership of General Ojukwu, responded with guerrilla warfare tactics, capitalizing on their knowledge of the local terrain to launch surprise attacks and ambushes. However, the most significant invasion was the capture of the Biafran capital, Enugu, by Nigerian forces in October 1967. This marked a turning point in the war, forcing the Biafran government into exile and signaling the beginning of the end for the Biafran cause. These top war and civil invasions played a significant role in the Biafran War, shaping its outcome and legacy. The strategies used by both sides and the impact of these invasions on the course of the war are a testament to the complexities and brutal realities of civil conflicts. If you found this video informative and thought-provoking, please give it a thumbs up and share it with others. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great contents like this. Thank you for watching and see you soon in our next great video project.